How to view Instagram story anonymously. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to view Instagram stories anonymously. So for that, all you have to do is just simply open your Play Store or your App Store, and after that just simply download the Instagram app in your mobile device. And once you have installed the application, just simply open it while clicking on the open from the tab. And over here just simply log into your account using your credentials, and once you have logged in into your Instagram account, all you have to do in order to watch the stories anonymously, just simply click on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of the mobile screen, and just click on the your profile from the top, and over here just simply click on add new Instagram account. So the best way to view Instagram stories anonymously is to use another account where you haven't logged in or you haven't used your personal informations. And if you don't have that particular account, you can simply go ahead and click on create new account, and you can create an account where you don't enter your personal details like your name and other details. And I already have that account, so I'm just going to open that. So when you open your account where you haven't used your personal information, so just simply click the person you want to see these stories for. For example, I want to watch the story of this particular account, so just simply click on it, and now you can simply watch the stories of this person, and you don't have to be worried about whether they will get to know that you have seen their stories or not, because it will be anonymous, because you haven't used your personal information while watching this particular story from your personal account. So yeah, you will be remain anonymous while watching this particular story right here. So this is basically how you will be able to view Instagram stories anonymously. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.